SnoofyBee Baby Changing Travel Pad Diaper Clutch by SnoofyBee is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. SnoofyBee's changing pad and diaper clutch is an innovative solution to the diaper changing challenges you face with your baby. The creators of this product came up with the idea after having several children of their own. They discovered that the minute their baby's diaper came off, the little one's hands instantly went south to investigate and get their hands dirty. After searching for products and accessories that would solve this messy problem, and not finding anything, the creators of this product decided to try their hand at a sewing machine. Thus, the SnoofyBee changing pad was born. This revolutionary baby accessory features a toy attachment barrier and a chewy teething ring that keeps babies happy and occupied while they are being changed, so you don't have to battle their curiosity while trying to contain the mess. Rest easy knowing that this barrier is easy to clean and will keep your little one clean and safe during diaper changes. They'll love this makeshift play area where you can hang their favorite rattles and dolls above them, and you'll love that you can pack this station down into a fashionable clutch after you're finished. Your baby gear isn't complete without this accessory, especially if your family enjoys traveling or camping. This diaper pad comes with a convenient storage bag to keep your changing station clean. Don't risk setting your baby down on the uncomfortable outdoor dirt or on a public surface and exposing them to the germs. Instead, unpack their hygienic diaper changing pad and ensure that they stay clean and comfortable. Do yourself and your child a favor and change them on the safe comfort of a SnoofyBee diaper pad. Comfy, water-resistant pad. Babies inevitably become fussy when they're uncomfortable, which is why we've made this pad to include a 1/4-inch thick foam pillow to support your baby's back, shoulders, and head. Parents and kids alike will appreciate the water-resistant properties of the polyester. Ease your diaper changes. Your baby's fidgety, curious little hands can make diaper changes a challenge. This take-along changing station resolves the struggles that new parents face. The sides fold up and create a barrier that you can attach toys to in order to keep your child's hands occupied while you clean up. Afterward, the manufacturer's foldable pad packs down to a small clutch to fit in your diaper bag. Diaper clutch. When closed, this changing station is a compact diaper clutch with a 3D zippered pocket and an inner quick-access pocket large enough to replace the need of a diaper bag on short trips out. Simple care instructions. The hygiene of your nursery is important to the health of your newborn. Fortunately, it's easy to keep these changing pads clean for your infant. The manufacturer's convenient changing pad is 100% polyester and easy to care for. Wipe clean after each use and hand wash when needed. Do not put this pad in the dryer, do not iron it directly, and do not use undiluted bleach on the pad. Comes with teething toy. The unique teether toy doubles as a sly buckle, transforming a baby blanket into half a dozen useful parenting items so you can pack light and be prepared. Diaper time just became playtime. These changing sets will complete your baby supplies. They also make great baby shower gifts or first birthday gifts for a boy or a girl. This changing pad is recommended for newborns to 2-year-old toddlers, who will enjoy the built-in toy loops and the teething toy included. This large surface area. Your sweet baby will have plenty of wiggle room on this diaper changing mat. It functions well as a portable diaper changing station. When laid flat, the changing surface measures 37 inches by 13.5 inches with a redirection barrier measuring 27 inches across. When folded, it becomes a compact diaper clutch measuring 13.5 inches by 8 inches, and a teething toy measuring 2.75 inches in diameter.